Namaste, how are you guys? So, my brother is getting married, and most of you must know this by now. And yeah, I have a couple of videos to share with you guys, but today it's the wedding day, and I am just getting ready. Now, most of you might also know this that I suck at doing my eyeshadows and everything, and also my makeup isn't that long lasting. So, to help me out today with my makeup and hair, I invited Hetal. She was ready to help me out, and she's a professional makeup artist. I'll leave all her contact details and her IG handle in the description box below. So if you wanna ever get ready from her, you'll see her work today on me. So if you like it, then you can surely get in touch with her. And yeah, I am super excited. Do you have something in mind?
No.
Yeah, so we are just going with the flow. I showed her my outfits, which you guys will see soon. And we are getting ready for two occasions. One is reception and one is shadi. I'm gonna wear the same makeup for reception. So it's a challenge for her as well to do that.
Yes.
So are you up for it?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, let's get started. कितना इजीली लगा लेते हो यार, मेरे को इतना स्ट्रगल होता है बहुत सी लैशेस के लिए
सेल्फ के लिए होता है.
I remember I applied it for a video once. It took me 20 minutes to just get one more. Yeah. Feels so heavy. Give me one tip for false lashes if like people watching they wanna apply or something because it's a struggle.
क्योंकि जो आप जो लैशेस यूज कर रहे हो उसका जो बेस रहता है वो एकदम नरम सा नहीं होना चाहिए. थोड़ा सा अगर स्टिकी रहेगा तो एक ही बार ग्लू लगाया देन डायरेक्टली वो आईज के शेप में स्टिच हो जाता है.
So good lashes is important. Okay. Is there something that you would suggest by any brand or something?
ब्राजीलियन ब्रांड है हाउस ग्रो लैशेस एंड सेकंड मिल्क लैशेस.
Okay. Now she's doing my base. Eyes are done. Your technique of applying this concealer is so different than like normal YouTubers do. Na? They always prefer like inverted triangle, and I've always seen professional artists not using that. Is there a reason? कुछ ऐसा है नहीं.
वो सब मैं जहाँ से सीख के ना उसके ऊपर.
अच्छा. Okay. People enjoy my vlogs, so whatever I do, eating Maggie and like chilling, just they enjoy that.
Maggie.
I can literally make a vlog full of just eating Maggie and people will watch and enjoy that. Mera viewer base is very unique only. They can connect with me na because they also do the same thing. I swear, touch wood, I've seen people get hate. I received once in a blue moon, like. Hate milta hai to mostly I ignore. Secondly, my haters, my lovers will only reply them, so I don't have to do anything. Then I just delete the comment. Because then it's like a thread going on and on and on, and it's like a fight WWF or something. Like, itna attention haters for hating us. And it's a fact, not everyone is going to like you. तो वो थोड़ा ऐसे हो ही जाता है. And I'm very satisfied. नहीं, ठीक है यार, जितना है उतना खुश रहो. Oh, this is like a Q&A session going on. Wow, highlighter, the best part of makeup. Like, I love highlighter now. Once you start applying highlighter, you cannot stop. It's a fact. हाँ, actually bare face पे भी highlighter सिर्फ लगा दिया तो चलता है. Guys, शादी के लिए कुछ करो ना करो, highlighter जरूर लगा देना.
The best tip for the nose highlighter is to use your finger for the nose highlighter.
I'm gonna try that now. Like, no more using brush for nose. Fingers are actually the best.
Yes.
Even for my concealer and everything, I use fingers. Like, I can't trust brushes for my concealer. I don't know why. I don't look like myself. Completely different. Wow, enjoying this.
Okay guys, so it was time for the hair, and for the hair I wanted half up, half down with curls. So she divided my hair in 3 parts, 2 in the front, 1 in the back, and in the front she started crimping my hair for volume, and after that she added volume on the back by back combing my hair and adding like a poof. Now it's very easy to do this. Just take some hair and like just back comb it, hairspray a little, puff it, and then pin it with bobby pin. After puffing, she started braiding the front section of my hair, and I suck at this. Thank you so much, Hetal, for helping me out with this. But yeah, she just braided, and she braided the entire thing, and then she secured it at the back with a bobby pin, and did the same thing on the other side as well. Then to add volume, she pulled out the hair from the braid, and then to secure everything, she just added hairspray again. After that, her sister started to curl my hair. She just added curls on the lower portion of the hair towards the end. And yeah, that was pretty much it. And I actually love the hairstyle. I don't think I can do it on my own. But if you can, you should definitely give it a try. To be honest, I think I have started loving curls now. So if you guys think it looks great on me, do let me know. I'll try to do it more. I have a curling rod, but I just don't use it. So let me know in the comment section below if I should curl my hair regularly. Not regularly exactly, but kind of like occasionally. So let me know that. Also, yes, I am having pizza. It is lunchtime and I'm like super hungry. So don't mind. I'm hungry again while editing this now. And once everything was done, she just added hairspray to like secure the curls, and then Hetal gave me the curls on the side, kind of gave me the Kamamika vibe. Liked it. So to add the final touch, I just had this hair accessory I got from Malad, and yeah, she just folded it in a way to make it look like a nice clip. It can actually be even worn as a tiara, but this is what we did, and I absolutely loved it. And she just secured it with some pins, and that's it. That was it, guys. I really hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, please don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know what did you think of my look. Outfits related video is coming up soon, so you'll know where this dress is from. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to check out Hetal's Instagram and follow her. And I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye!